Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, and it's just going to be more of a sit-down, chit-chat style, and I'm going to share with you guys a bit of my undoing story. So we're just going to get right into it. For a while, I dealt with this image that I had of myself, the way that I wanted to be perceived, the way that I wanted people to see me, which was the good Christian girl who went to church, loved God, got straight A's, and was saving herself till marriage. And at first, it was very easy. You know, when I first started or had this image, I was 14. There was no real temptation. But as I grew older, the idea of purity kind of became a distant memory. And I really struggled with these two different identities. But when I was 17, I finally made the decision to claim my faith and to follow Jesus for me. And I truly believe that this was how I wanted to live my life. But what was hard is when I made that decision, I thought everything would get easier. And some things did, but some things also got harder. And I still had the same struggles that I had had before. I was still struggling with depression and with self-esteem. I was struggling with the idea of purity. And I was also struggling with self-harm. And so I was very conflicted because I thought that when you make this decision to follow Christ, that your life would suddenly become perfect, as silly as that sounds. And over time, these two images became very conflicting. And there was a large gap between the person that I was showing people that I was and who I felt that I was behind closed doors. And eventually it was just very overwhelming because the good Christian girl isn't supposed to go out and party and get drunk, and she's definitely not supposed to go and fool around with random guys at night. And when I got to what I would call my lowest point of looking in the mirror and not even recognizing who I was anymore, not knowing who I was called to be, I ran to the person who I always run to, which is God. And his arms were wide open, ready to receive me, and there was no safer place that I could have been in that moment. And I actually found this passage in Psalms chapter 32, verse 7. It says, "You are my hiding place, you will protect me from trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance." And I feel like this verse really sums up what happened in that season of just confusion and not knowing who I was. God took me in and he redeemed me. I believed the lie that I had somehow disqualified myself for my calling because of the mistakes and poor choices that I had made. And God, he took me in and he set me free from all that shame and all that guilt. And he made me righteous again. And so I guess I'm sharing all this with you to say that whoever you are, wherever you're watching from, no matter what mistakes you have made, you are never too far gone. His arms are always open, ready to receive you. You are not the person of your past mistakes, but rather you are his precious child. So I hope that this encourages someone. I love you guys, and I'll be praying for you. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. I'd also love to hear your feedback in the comment section down below. Until next time, bye.